If you accidentally deleted a message on Messenger, that is no problem because it's easy to be able to recover all of those deleted messages, and I'll also show you how to get them back if you just accidentally archived a message and didn't fully delete it. So let's jump through those steps. Let's open up the Messenger app on your iPhone or Android, tap on Menu at the bottom right, and then tap on Archive. Now, the first place to look is to see if you just archived that conversation. If you did, and you want to get it back, swipe to the left and tap on Unarchive, and it will go directly back to your chats. You'll be able to see it directly in that chat screen. However, let's say you fully deleted that message. We can always recover it using the built-in tools in Messenger. To be able to do that, tap on Menu at the bottom right, tap on Settings at the top, and then Account Center. Tap on Your Information and Permissions, and then tap on Export Your Information. We're going to use the export function within Facebook Messenger to be able to export all of those messages. So tap on Create Export, and of course this is for Facebook Messenger, so tap on Facebook. And we want to export it to this device, aka this iPhone, or if you're on an Android or a computer. Now you need to choose the correct settings from here on what to export. So tap on Customize Information and tap on Clear All at the top right, because we don't want to export everything and it will take longer. We only want to choose messages on this list and make sure everything else is unselected. So continue to hit Clear All and Clear All. This will free up some time that it takes essentially to create that export. So make sure to tap on Clear All on everything else and hit the Save button. Now, the next thing we want to do is tap on Date Range and choose whether this is the last year or the last week or maybe all time. I'm going to just choose the last month and hit Save. Next, tap on Format and make sure it's set to HTML and hit Save. And tap on Media Quality and make sure to choose Higher Quality if you wanted high quality images that you were sent or received. After we've done that, let's scroll down and tap on Start Export. Now keep in mind you will need to enter in the password, so let me do that real quick. Let me just autofill my password. Where is it? There we go. And then hit Continue. And just like that, it will start to create that export, but it won't be fully done yet. You can see it says it is being prepared and will let you know when it's ready. So wait until you get a message in Facebook that it is ready, and then you're going to go back to this screen, and instead of cancel here, you'll be able to see a download button. Just tap on that download button and it will download to the Files app on your iPhone, or if you're on an Android, it'll be in the Files app, or of course on a computer, it'll be in the Downloads folder. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would consider liking and subscribing. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your time here with me today.